Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to show you guys a classic North Indian side dish with the rich flavors of spices and the comforting taste of potatoes. Yes, I'm going to show you guys how to make Aloo Bhuna. Now this is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed with any roti of your choice. It's got great flavors and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's get started and check it out. First I'm going to make the curd masala mixture ready. I've taken about 4 tablespoons of curd to a bowl. To this I'm adding a few spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon kasuri methi leaves. Just give everything a quick mix. Since the mixture is a bit thick, I'm just adding a little bit of water. So our curd masala is done. I'm going to keep this aside. Now take a nice wide kadai. To this I'm adding about 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Give that a quick mix. Now if you don't want to add so much of oil, you can cut down a bit, but the masala has to cook nicely and we need a certain amount of oil for this. After about a minute, add 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they've turned to a nice golden color. So once the onions have turned to a nice golden color, add the puree of 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Now we need to cook this puree along with the onions till the oil separates and it thickens nicely. All that excess moisture has to evaporate. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated and the masala has become very nice and thick. All the oil has separated and the raw smell has gone. Keeping the flame on low, pour the curd mixture. Just give that a quick mix. Just pouring about 1/4 cup of water. This is going to help to cook the masala. Keeping the flame on medium. Close the kadai and let it cook for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can see the oil has separated completely. As you can see all the excess moisture is evaporated. The masala is cooked beautifully. I'm going to turn off the stove and keep this aside. To another small pan, I'm just adding 2 small cubes of butter. To this I'm just adding 1 large onion that's been sliced. So we're going to stir fry the onions along with some potatoes and capsicum. So I've added 1 medium-sized capsicum. You can see this has also been cut into slices. I've taken 3 large boiled potatoes. Just cut them into medium-sized pieces. Keeping the flame on high, just stir fry them for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove. Now put the kadai back onto the stove and gently drop in the vegetables. Now mix everything together. So you can see that our Aloo Bhuna Masala is coming together so beautifully. Since you're making this Dhaba style, it looks absolutely wonderful. So if you're craving to have some nice Dhaba food, I highly recommend you try this. Especially for all those potato lovers, you're going to absolutely enjoy this. I'm just adding about 1/4 cup of water. Just give this a quick mix. Close the kadai and let this simmer for about 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, you can open the kadai and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Absolutely delicious Aloo Bhuna Masala is ready to be served. I'm serving it with some chapatis. You can enjoy it with any roti of your choice. Wow, that dish looks absolutely gorgeous. The blend of spices gives a deep and aromatic flavor that's more warming and comforting. It's time to taste this super delicious Aloo Bhuna that we've made Dhaba style. I can't wait to actually enjoy this with this nice soft chapatis. Wow. Okay, that was a really big mouthful. I don't know why. Potato piece was pretty big, so I just put the whole thing in my mouth. It was so good. This is so good. That tasted amazing. Now this recipe is a combination of simple ingredients to make something truly delicious. I highly recommend you try it. You can enjoy it with rice or roti. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.